Hey guys, this is going to be a short video about Python. This is kind of just to make sure everything works and everything is going well for us. And we'll probably do some longer things in the next couple of days, but for now we're just going to kind of keep it short and simple for our first video lecture and project. So what we're going to do today is talk about Python and printing and adding comments. So we went over this briefly in class last Thursday, but we'll just do it again. So to print something, use the print command, and it's just print parentheses. And if you want to print words or text, it is in quotation marks. If you want to print a number, you can just print the number. If you print a number with quotation marks, it no longer has a value. It's just text, not a numerical value. So I would try that in your Python program real quickly, and then pause the video, do that, and then we'll move on to the next slide. So next we'll talk about comments. Comments are things the computer doesn't read. They're just a reminder of what pieces of specific code do. So for example, down here we have print hello world. To write a comment, you use the pound symbol, which is Shift 3 on your keyboard. Anything after that pound symbol is not read by the computer. So this doesn't do anything. When it says this prints hello world, that doesn't do anything. It's just a comment. Same thing down here, we have the pound sign. This prints the number 45, doesn't do anything. It just tells you what that piece of code does. You can type anything after that you wanted. And when you run this program, it still prints hello world and then 45. So you're going to have a project to do after you watch this. It should be very brief. All you're going to do is print off a couple things what it says in the project. Then to submit the project, you're going to need to take a screenshot or a snip of your program screen, which is the top one up here, and then a screenshot or snip of this down here, and you can either put that into a Word document and then submit it on Moodle. Feel free to post in the comment section of the Python section of the Moodle classroom if you have any questions about any of this. And if that doesn't work for some reason, feel free to email me and I'll respond to that as well. Thanks guys, we'll do this again tomorrow.